sir. We are here to present to you our group activity called Polymorphism, Overriding, and Overloading. So, I am Sam Andrea Jimenez, one of the group presenter, and this is my group mates, Francis RGM Coronacion and Jimel John Bolivar.
Okay, let's talk about overview of the program in overriding. This Java program demonstrates object-oriented programming, principles like inheritance and polymorphism. It has a base class, coronation, with a method feature means to be overridden by subclasses, Bolivar and Jimenez. Each subclass has unique implementation of feature, presenting specified traits in the main methods. Object of Bolivar and Jimenez are created and represented by coronation type variables. When features called Java uses runtime polymorphism to execute the appropriate subclass method based on the object types, allowing flexible behavior that highlights polymorphism methods overriding. Problem is solved. This setup illustrates polymorphism can make code flexible and extensible by allowing objects to behave according to their specified class even when referenced as their superclass type. This principle is beneficial in real-world application where different behavior need to be applied to objects based on their class while maintaining a uniform interface. In this class, the features method, it's also simplifies code maintenance by allowing behavior to be modified within subclass without changing the base class structure, showcasing an elegant way to manage variability in object behavior. Now, let's go to the class and methods in overriding. Our class, coronation is the base class, contain a single method feature which prints handsome. It's as acts as the parent class for the subclass Bolivar and Jimenez. Bolivar as a subclass extend the coronation class overriding the features method to print hand. Jimenez subclass extend the coronation class overrides the features methods prints boys. Mean constant the main method to execute program demonstrate polymorphism by creating instant of the subclass Bolivar and Jimenez but assigning them to variables of types coronation, the base class. The method features define all the three classes in coronation. It is base version in Bolivar and Jimenez. It is overriding to provide specific behavior.
Slide 3. Overloading. Calculator. This is the primary class containing overloaded methods. For addition, the methods are name add, but they differ in the number and type of parameters. Main. The class that contains the main method. It creates an instance of the calculator class and calls the add methods. Method. Add int A, int B. Accept two integers as parameters and return their sum. Add int A, int B, int C. Accepts three integers as parameters and returns their sum. Add double A, double B. Accepts two double values as parameters and returns their sum. Classes and objects. Bolivar, Coronation, and Jimenez are three classes. Bolivar and Jimenez inherit the Coronation class inheritance relationship. In the main method, Jumel is created as an object of the class Bolivar, but is referenced using the type Coronation. Sam is created as an object of the class Jimenez, but is referenced using the type Coronation. This is an example of polymorphism, where an object of a class subclass is referred to by a superclass reference type. Method invocation. When invoking feature using Jumel and Sam, dynamic method dispatch runtime polymorphism. Determine which method is executed. The method invoked is based on actual objects class and not the reference type. Object creation. The calculator class defines three overloaded add methods. Same method name with different parameter list. In the main method, calc is created as an object of the calculator class using the new keyword. The object calc can access all the add methods defined in the calculator class. Method invocation. The method to be invoked is determined at compile time based on the method signature, method name, and parameter types. This is an example of methods overloading where multiple methods with the same name exist, differentiated by their parameters list.
So this is the key learning points of overriding. 1. Polymorphism. 2. Inheritance. Next slide please. 3. Method overriding, and 4. Code reusability. Thus, this is the summary. Inheritance for hierarchy and shared behavior. Polymorphism for dynamic and flexible method execution. Method overriding to provide specific implementation. So this is the key learning naman po sa overloading. Number 1 is method overloading. 2 is compile time polymorphism. 3 is flexibility in code design. 4 is enhanced code readability. So this is the summary of key learning points of overloading. Method overloading demonstrates compile time polymorphism, allows better flexibility and code organization, and is a fundamental feature of object-oriented programming that simplifies method usage.
Para naman po sa code explanation, para po sa overloading, overloading allows multiple methods with the same name but different parameter lists in the same class. In the calculator class, we have 3 add methods. One that takes 2 int parameters, one that takes 3 int parameters, one that takes 2 double parameters. Based on the arguments passed when calling add, Java determines which version to use at compile time. This demonstrates method overloading. The same method name add has different implementation depending on the parameter types and number of parameters.
So dito naman po sa code sa overriding, superclass po dito is yung coronation, which is siya po yung parent class. Nag-hold po siya ng value na handsomeness. Tapos yung subclass naman po, which is child class, is yung Bolivar and Jimenez. Yung Bolivar po naman ay nag-hold ng value na hand, and Jimenez is nag-hold ng value na voice. So, dito po, makikita po dito na yung dalawang child class is na-override niya po yung parent class, which is coronation po. Tapos, punta po tayo dito sa main class. Nakita naman po natin dito na nag-instantiate po para po matawag po sa kabilang class yung dalawa pong subclass, which is Bolivar and Jimenez. So, una po ditong ma-override yung parent class is yung child class na Bolivar. Tapos, ang pangalawa naman po na ma-override dito is yung child class na Jimenez. Yun lang po. So, doon na po nagtatapos yung aming group presentation. Salamat po.